Are you in the top 10%, 5%, or in that exclusive 1% income earners in the United States? Let's find out. According to research, to be in the top 10% earner in the United States, $191,000. Top 5%, $290,000. And top 1%, $867,000. And that varies by age. Top 10%, according to the age spectrum, can go from $122,000 all the way up to $255,000. In your peak earning years, 45 to 54, $255,000, and you break the top 10% of income earners in the entire country. And then when you go to the top 1% income earners in the entire country, that can range for, if you're under 35, to 225 grand a year. Pretty good. And if you're in your peak earning years between 45 and 54, up to $1.3 million a year. And the clients that we work with, by and large, are self-employed individuals, entrepreneurs earning this type of income, depending on their age, wherever they're at in this breakdown. And it's really about strategy on how you legally avoid paying too much taxes, and doing that with proper CPA guidance, tax advisor guidance, in conjunction with a planner that understands the financial minefield that you have to traverse to make sure you keep as much money for yourself as possible. And that's the value that we provide, and that we've been providing that to lots of our clients. You can climb the mountain of tax efficiency with the different vehicles and tools that are out there. And you want to make sure when you're coming down that mountain of tax efficiency, you keep as much tax-free distributions, tax-free income, tax-free withdrawals, and avoid paying Uncle Sam too much money. You want to give Caesar what Caesar's due, but not more than what he's due. And you need a good strategy to do that. It's not what you make, it's what you keep, and we can help you along the way.